In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a Cloudways backup. If your website suddenly breaks after a plugin update, a bad deployment, or an accidental change, restoring a backup can be the fastest way to get everything working again. The good news is that Cloudways makes this much simpler than older hosting setups because you can handle the restore process directly from the platform without digging through manual server files or database tools. To begin, open your browser, go to the Cloudways platform, and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on the Applications section from the top navigation area. This will open your list of websites and application environments. From here, choose the exact application that needs to be recovered. Make sure you open the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sites, because the restore will apply only to the application you select. When the application dashboard loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Find the option called Backup and Restore, then click it. This opens the Restore panel, where Cloudways stores your available backup points and lets you control how the recovery will happen. Next, go to the Restore section and locate the Choose Backup drop-down menu. Open it and review the available backup dates and times carefully. You want to select a restore point from before the issue started, so take a moment here and choose the most recent version of the site that you know was working properly. Right below that, you'll see options for what to restore. And if you want the safest full rollback, choose Files and Database. This is usually the best option when both the site content and the underlying data may have been affected. Once your backup point and restore type are selected, click Restore Application Now. A confirmation prompt will appear to warn you that the current files will be overwritten. Read that message carefully, then confirm the action to continue. Cloudways will now begin the restore process in the background. During this time, leave the tab open and let it finish completely. Depending on the size of your site, this can take anywhere from about 2 to 15 minutes. After the restore reaches 100%, you should see a success message in the dashboard. At that point, go to Application Settings in the left sidebar, open the Tools tab, and click Varnish Purge. This clears cached versions of broken pages so you can view the restored site properly. Finally, open your website in a fresh incognito or private browser window and test it carefully. Check the homepage, navigation, login areas, layout, and media to make sure everything is loading correctly. Once that looks good, your Cloudways backup restore is complete. Thanks for watching.